Are you ready to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey and make your very first sale? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to getting started in affiliate marketing using the powerful OLSP system to unlock 7 income streams with just one link. I've also got my free affiliate profit formula ebook and mini course for you so you can actually accelerate your results. So stay tuned because this is the ultimate guide for beginners. So what is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting products and services online. You act as a middleman recommending products to others, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get paid. It's that simple. For example, you recommend a product, the customer clicks on your link, and the sale is tracked back to you. This business model is amazing because it requires no inventory, no shipping, and there's also low startup costs. So why use the OLSP system? Now let's talk about the OLSP system. This is one of the easiest ways to start affiliate marketing because it gives you 7 income streams, all from the one single link. Yes, one link can open the door to multiple income streams. And as you'll find out in my actual course, multiple income streams is a great way to boost your affiliate earnings and also get passive income. The system is designed for beginners and includes a built-in training, done-for-you resources, and even traffic generation tools. They do most of the heavy lifting for you, so all you have to focus on is driving traffic to your affiliate link and then earning the commissions. Don't worry if this sounds a bit overwhelming. I'll walk you through how to use the OLSP system in a minute, so just keep watching. So step-by-step guide to your first sale. Okay, so here's the step-by-step guide for getting your first affiliate sale. So the first thing you want to do is obviously grab my affiliate profit formula ebook, totally free, and you can download it by clicking the link in the description below this video. This guide will give you the main formulas that you will need to be successful in affiliate marketing. We'll also give you additional resources, templates, and obviously checklists that will help you in your journey. You also get other bonuses as well, so make sure you obviously just go and check it out. Description below here where you can download it for free. Now obviously the next stage is obviously to go through the course. Many people who download obviously free stuff think there's no value in it. Well, there is a huge amount of value in this affiliate profit formula. It's the steps that I've taken to actually earn over 6 figures online. So I've created this mini free course to help you track your results. It covers all the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, like I say, including choosing a niche, generating traffic, etc. The course is totally beginner friendly, so anybody can follow along. As part of that affiliate profit formula, I actually again recommend OLSP system, and that's what I recommend you do is click on, either go through the course, click on the link to join the OLSP system. $7, which is a one-time fee to get access for life to the 7 income streams. It gives you all the training you need and all the tools that you need to succeed. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to your unique affiliate link. So then all you've got to do is obviously go and promote your affiliate link. It also covers some of the beginner friendly methods to drive traffic to your affiliate link to help you out. It shows you how you can use Facebook to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Also how to create short videos for TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. And also my course also gives you a place where you can go and create your own blog, which is a great source of free traffic once you get it up and running. And then all you're left to do really is track your results and obviously improve your click-through rates and sales, etc. And then your business will grow automatically. Now I hear you saying, why do I even need to go and grab this affiliate profit formula? This is designed to make affiliate marketing simple and straightforward as possible. It is a straightforward business, so you only need to take these few steps to succeed in affiliate marketing. And with the ebook, I will give you the proven strategies to turn your traffic into commissions. With the mini course, you will get obviously actionable tips, download checklists, and obviously resources that you can use and start implementing straight away. So whether you are complete new or just need a boost to get started, these resources are perfect for building a strong foundation. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making your first affiliate sale using OLSP system and my free affiliate profit formula. Remember, access to the affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight, but it will, with the right tools and consistent effort, get you the results that you desire. So before you go, don't forget to check out the descriptions below for the links for the OLSP system and the affiliate profit formula ebook and mini course. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.